Alright, what is good? This is going to be my first trade recap in a while. I've been in Indonesia on a surf trip. Um, so yeah, I haven't been trading much at all. And good to be back, but pretty shit to start with a loss, but it is what it is. So yeah, this is my trade recap for Tuesday the 27th. And this was during Asian session on GJ. And this is a 4 hour time frame here. I was just picking my daily bias, and I was looking at this thinking that we could potentially be looking for a bearish trade. I was open to taking a bearish trade today purely because we were sitting inside of this 4 hour fair value gap here, and we were also touching up in equilibrium. Yeah, sort of. I was happy to take trades either way today, and on the hourly we were bearish, on the 4 hour we were bullish, so it was sort of a mix of everything. And on market open we saw price come up, sweep these hourly highs, and they were also 4 hour highs, so I was like, bet, let's have a look for some bearish entries. Scaled into a 5 minute time frame, and right off the bat we saw a 5 minute break of structure pretty early on today, which was right here. We broke structure. Give me a sec. So that was my break structure. From here I marked out these two 5 minute bearish fair value gaps, thinking maybe we'd play off these and price would go lower. And so probably my only mistake of the day was not taking into account equilibrium. Here, from these range highs to these range lows, I could have seen that this fair value gap would have been a better fair value gap to play off, but like I said, been off the charts for a while. And so I entered off of this candlestick here. Price sort of moved up, tapped into that first fair value gap that I marked, and this candlestick here fucked me. So I entered shorts off of this, got stopped out pretty quickly. My stops are above that fair value gap, and I was targeting the beginning of session lows. So that was my trade for the day. I took one trade and then I hopped off the charts. Figured I'd do some back testing, try to get better rather than taking shitty trades like this. So looking back at it now, the trade that I probably would have liked to have taken, even though it was before market actually opened, was this bullish one down here. So we were bullish on the 4 hour, we were bearish on the 1 hour. However, we swept out these lows here. That's actually a really good looking trade if it had been during Asian session. So swept out these lows, and right off the bat I'm pretty sure 15 minute break of structure pretty early on, 5 minute break of structure almost instantly. I mean, with this candlestick here, broke structure to the upside, and from there we would have been looking for either fair value gap entry or order block. And as seen just up here, we got a good looking fair value gap entry on a 5 minute time frame. I mean, entering longs off of this would have just been smack work, targeting highs here, targeting previous hourly highs. Could have been targeting these highs here. So looking back today, that would have been the ideal trade to have taken, even though it wasn't during the actual Asian session itself. But yeah, anyway, so that was my trade for today. Leave a comment, let me know your thoughts, let me know any improvements you think I can make, and cheers.